The Asus Zenfone R is a large, high-end Android phone with an important first, as a phone that launches with Tango and Daydream support. Daydream in particular at first seemed something that would quickly filter through to loads of Android phones. But it hasn't. The Asus Zenfone R has what it takes for good phone VR thanks to its high-resolution OLED screen. It's 5.7 inches across, with a resolution of 1440 by 2560. The CPU is a high-end, but no longer top-end, quad-core Snapdragon 821. While there are versions of the Asus Zenfone R with a mammoth 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the phone we're reviewing has 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. That's a lot, but no more than some competitors, such as the OnePlus 5. The camera does have more to show off than most, though. Instead of keeping the megapixel count low to improve low-light performance, the Asus Zenfone R has a very high-res 23MP main camera and 4-axis optical image stabilization to help out at night. There are 2 extra cameras on the back too. One is a lower-quality depth-sensing camera with IR, the other used to track motion. This trio is what makes the Asus Zenfone R ready for Tango-grade augmented reality. On the front, you get an 8MP selfie camera, but the rear team is what grabs our attention. Other neat parts worth noting are a fingerprint scanner on the front, a leather effect finish on the back and a dual LED flash on the back. The big question of the Asus Zenfone R is whether these features are worth the price. Having spent a good while using the Zenfone R, it's a great phone but a tough sell.